Kung gusto mong mag-start na mag-work from home pero hindi mo alam kung paano nga ba magsimula sa online jobs, breathe. Because today, I am giving you a complete step-by-step walkthrough. However, we're gonna do things a little differently this time. Because I always get this comment na kagaya nung sabi ni Marivic, kung pwede daw bang isulat ko na lang step by step because ang bilis ko daw magbigay ng instruction, and that is actually intentional. You know why? Because I spoke with a client who said that majority of the people that are trying to apply for the position, they didn't choose because hindi marunong sumunod sa instruction. And these are very simple instructions that they give. That's why they reached out to our agency, because they just got tired of paulit-ulit na hiring process. And sabi ko, isa to sa mga gap ng mga tao na gusto na talaga magsimula mag-work from home, and perhaps hindi naman talaga sila yung sasabihin mo na bobo, but hindi na lang talaga well-oiled machine ang kanilang brain cells. It just so happened na matagal na siguro sa corporate and nasanay na talaga na, kumbaga it's either spoon-feeding or selective reading, listening, or understanding sa instructions. For today, we are gonna do things differently. I am going to teach you kung paano nga bang mag-create ng account, mag-fill out ng profile, SEO keywords, hanggang sa kung paano kang makakakuha ng first client sa Online Jobs PH, pero hindi ko kayo papakitaan ng screen. Hindi na kagaya ng tutorial natin sa Upwork na meron pa talagang pa-screen. Ganyan. If you are up for this challenge at ready ka na, let's go ahead and start building your VA career one step at a time. Step number 1, go to onlinejobs.ph, create an account. Basically, what you want to do is just open your browser, type onlinejobs.ph, click on job seeker, and then click on register. Fill out your full name, email, and password. Make sure na real details ha, because employers do background checks inside online jobs. Yes, they are able to do that. They are able to even see yung location ng IP address na ginamit ninyo at kung tuwing kailan kayo nag-apply. After signing up, check your email and click verify. Tapos balik ka na sa online jobs dashboard and you will see there create profile. Now, dito na tayo magsisimula na maglagay ng details. Simple lang naman, bago ka sumabak sa online work, kailangan kumpleto na yung profile mo kasi ito yung ipapakita mo sa mga clients. The next step, and I think one of the most challenging when it comes to online jobs, is yung pag-verify ng ID proof. Kasi you have to upload one clear government ID, pwedeng passport, driver's license, UMID, or national ID. Now, this is important because clients filter applicants by ID proof. Marami sa kanila ang nagre-rely dun sa platform para mag-background check para sa kanila, and kapag mataas yung score mo, mas likely kang makikita sa search results. Think of it like a legit serious ako, and I'm ready to work ID, ganyan. That alone makes a huge difference. Ang kasunod mo nang gagawin is to set up your profile. Ito yung pinakang importanting part. Profile photo. Use a clear headshot. Plain background. Natural lighting. Walang filter. Walang big shades. Friendly lang. Casual. Pero at the same time, professional tingnan. Make sure to also add a title. Keep it short and keyword rich. Remember yung example natin sa Upwork? Sabi ko, pwedeng ilagay nyo doon virtual assistant, email plus admin, tapos kung ano yung industry na isa-service ninyo, like e-commerce virtual assistant, Shopify, customer support, ganyan. You'd also have to update the overview. Ito yung elevator pitch na napag-aralan na natin. Again, 3 to 5 sentences lang will do. You just want to say who you help, what you do, and why they should trust you. A good example would be, hi, I'm a virtual assistant who supports business owners with email management tasks and customer support. I'm familiar with Google Workspace, Shopify, and Canva. And organized, mabilis mag-reply, and consistent with deadlines. Yun lang. Skills, kailangan specific ka. Google Sheets, Shopify, social media scheduling, email support, data management. When it comes to your experience or work history, even volunteer work counts ha. Lagyan mo ng 2 to 3 na achievements mo per role. Halimbawa, if you've ever handled customer emails and maintained 95% customer satisfaction, or you've created weekly reports using Google Sheets. Kasunod, kung meron ka na, mas maganda kung makapag-upload ka na rin ng portfolio mo. So, all you want to do is upload screenshots, sample tasks, or PDFs. Even if beginner ka kasi, mas maganda na gumawa ka ng simple like sample SOP, sample social media calendar, sample email template. Clients love seeing real work. Right after that, i-optimize mo with SEO keywords ang profile mo. Para madali kang makahanap, kailangan may keywords ang profile mo. Halimbawa, virtual assistant, e-commerce VA, Amazon Virtual Assistant, lead generation. You want to use them sa title mo, sa first 2 lines of your overview, sa skill section, work history. Pero tandaan mo, natural pa din dapat ang flow. So, kumbaga, hindi siya pilit. You guys can use this ChatGPT prompt if you need help. Again, your first step should be to attach your experience list kay ChatGPT and then gamitin nyo tong prompt na to and it will give you a better overview of kung paano mo nga ba ipoposition yung sarili mo when it comes to Online Jobs PH platform. And once your profile has been created, you are ready to write your proposals that get replies. As usual, keep it short, wag essay, wag generic. Yung formula ko dito is 1 sentence intro plus 1 sentence match to the job plus 1 proof plus 1 call to action. How will that look like kapag sinasend ko? I would say, hi, I'm Mary, a virtual assistant with experience in operations management and digital marketing. I saw that you need help with managing your team of VAs who process orders, and I've handled over 100 plus teams for past clients. Here's a sample report that I made. If you want me to do a short paid trial so you can see my workflow, let's talk. Short, friendly, straight to the point. Now, a lot of people would say if you want to get your first clients sa online jobs, mag-bulk application ka, which means applying daily, like 5 to 10 job posts per day. But in reality, it's not the bulk application that gets you noticed. It is your timing because, halimbawa, SEO optimized yung profile mo. Nandun yung keywords ng halimbawa operations management. Let's say at around 11 p.m. Manila time, somebody logs in, a client logs in and they search for the keyword operations management. Kung sino yung pinakang recent na online sa platform where the operations management keyword sa profile nila, itong virtual assistant na to ang mag-a-appear ng kauna-unahan sa end ni client. Now again, applying daily 5 to 10 jobs per day might still work but only apply to posts that you can really do. It's good to offer a short paid trial. It's good to create sample work if wala ka pang experience. Make sure to keep your profile updated because your first client might take a week, 3 months, even a year. But you only need 1 yes to change the direction of your freelancing journey. And that's it. That is our short video for online jobs. At this point, the expected output is meron ka ng online jobs account, ikaw ay nakapagsubok na mag-verify ng account mo at kapag na-verify na yung account mo, then you can start applying. Kung ready ka nang mag-start, just comment ready below and if gusto nyo guys ng free VA starter kit, check the link in the description box. Also, if you love this kind of step-by-step content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our community. Ilalagay ko na lang ulit dyan ang link. Tandaan nyo, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. So let's build your VA career together. That's it for this vlog. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismes. Bye!